DEWALT's 12-inch 15-amp dual bevel sliding compound miter saw delivers portable convenience without sacrificing capability or performance. The dual steel rail system with linear bearings and exclusive back fence design cuts up to 2x16 dimensional lumber at 90 degrees and 2x12 at 45 degrees, while the 15-amp 3800 RPM motor delivers extended power and durability. The tall sliding fences support crown molding up to 7.5 inches in the nested position and base molding up to 6 3/4 inches vertically and are easily removed for bevel cuts. Unlike laser guides, DEWALT's XPS cross-cut positioning system provides adjustment-free cut lines with the added benefit of shedding a little light on every piece. The cam lock miter handle provides fast and accurate setting of angles up to 50 degrees left or 60 degrees right. And with multiple positive stops for the most commonly used bevel and miter angles, you'll cut down on both fatigue and time. In the shop or on the job, choose the DEWALT 12-inch 15-amp dual bevel sliding compound miter saw for innovative features and powerful performance.